New at 10, health experts say northeastern Minnesota anglers should cut back on eating some types of fish. State Department of Health released new guidelines today recommending that some sensitive groups, including pregnant women and children under 15, should eat less fish caught in St. Louis, Lake, and Cook counties. It's because of high mercury levels in Northland lakes and rivers. The guidelines vary by the type of fish, the body of water, and who's eating the fish.